Meaning of fireballer.
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 Fireballer. Fireballer is a term used in sports, specifically in baseball, to describe a pitcher who throws pitches with high velocity and power. This term is often used to describe pitchers who consistently throw fastballs that exceed 95 miles per hour. The result of such pitching can be impressive, as the high velocity of the ball makes it difficult for batters to hit and increases the likelihood of strikeouts. However, such pitching can also be risky, as the high stress on the pitcher's arm can lead to injury and shorten their career.